Hi friends, good morning. This is Praveen here, and I warmly welcome all my YouTube viewers to my YouTube channel ALGO TRADER, where trading is executed in a smarter way using artificial intelligence. All trades I do here are executed using algo trading, utilizing the unique tool developed by Team Algo TRADER to nullify the human interference and emotions.
Hello friends, today's video is about the risk management program developed by Team Algo Trader, and before we look into the program, I request all the new viewers to subscribe and click the bell icon. Guys, your support is much appreciated so that we get motivated and encouraged to make more videos like this. Okay guys, so let's see what's the program all about. Guys, this program is all about risk management, and the word itself, the title itself explains it's risk associated to your trade on every day, and we recommend every traders take their risk involved before they place any orders in the live market. And since this is a vital tool, guys, the Team Algo Trader decided to give this tool free of charge, and it's absolutely free, guys. You can go to my description box and find the link for download, and guys, please download and try yourself, and just manage your risk in a smarter way, guys. I'll just go through the program quickly now. Okay, when you click it, since I'm running it for several times, I'm getting three options, guys. First time you'll get only original workbook and choose save. Okay, so original workbook, basically it says the default values what I've given you. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, choose save if you already made your personal template with personal share. And the last save is basically to load the last save files. Okay, I'll just go for last save because today morning I did the something. Okay guys, it's giving warning because even though it's an executable file, it works, it utilizes the Microsoft Excel for all its calculations. So if you have any unsaved open workbook, guys, please save and close it so that you don't lose your precious data. Okay, I closed my one and I'm clicking OK. Let the program starts. Okay guys, this is the overall view of the Algo Trader risk management sheet. Okay, so first come first, guys. So first is the fund available. Suppose if you have 20,000 trading capital, just put over there, or if you have 1 lakh, just put whatever is your trading capital available in your account, guys. So for ease of understanding and for example, guys, I am putting 1 lakh over here, and next one is the margin provided. I put 8 times because I uses the brokers Alice Blue and Fires, and this Alice Blue is giving the maximum margin today in the market, and for equity they give up to 8x, and for derivatives they give up to 28 times, guys. So, and please guys, always remember this 8x is not a fixed figure. It changes from share to share, but majority of the shares they are giving 8x. For example, so this is Alice Blue calculator. So equity future, if you go, I put bank here, so I'll just go for bank nifty, which is a favorite for many of us. Okay guys, bank nifty 28 May, one load of 20. If you go for a normal, it's costing about close to 1,99,729 rupees over here. And guys, just look at this. If you use the bracket order, it's costing you only 4,987 rupees, guys. That is 20 times of normal. Okay, that is unbelievable, guys. Alice Blue is one of the best broker giving the maximum margin. Even for Axis Bank, if you multiply it, it's just 20 times, guys. That's the beauty of Alice Blue. And if you go to equity, I'll just tell you how much it gives you. Okay, equity, as I said, 3M India is giving 2 times. RD about ABC Capital is only 1 time. But if you go to the this one, ACC is 8 times. Adani Ports is 8 times. There are several good shares they are giving for 8. Bajaj Finance, many shares, guys. Believe me, you will find most majority of the trade which you normally do trading every day, it comes under 8x. Okay, so say for example, for this demo, we assume all the trades we are executive falls under 8x. So then your trading capital of 1 lakh is basically turned into 8 lakhs because you are using Alice Blue with maximum margin, which is 8 times for equity. Okay, if you are doing it for derivatives, guys, if you are falling under 20 times 1, just put 20. So your 1 lakh becomes 20 lakhs. As simple as that, guys. So for today's example, I'll go for equity. Just put 8. Okay. So the next one is the maximum low set per day, guys. I put 2% because normally I do all my trades with 2% loss. And I always recommend, guys, if you are first time to the trading, always start with 1% or 2%, and as you gain confidence and in your trading, guys, you can go up to 5%, guys. Don't go more than 5%, and I'll tell you the reason why. Because if I put 5%, your maximum loss of the day is going to be 40,000. If you look back, guys, this 40,000 is a 5% of 8 lakhs, but your trading capital is only 1 lakh. This 8 lakhs you are getting through the leverage. So your 40,000 loss is basically the 40% of your trading capital. That means tomorrow you are left with only 60,000. That's why I prefer only 2 times, and even the 8 times I don't prefer, guys. I always recommend 1 or 2x only. Just buy less shares, it's okay, because every day is not going to be a profitable trade. So in case if the day is against you, and if all the stop loss hit, guys, your loss is going to be only 4,000 rupees. And believe me, with 1 lakh capital, it's much easier to recover a 4,000 loss than 40,000 loss. Okay, guys, that's why I always prefer for 2x and 2%. That is one reason I have this fires with me. Fires, even though the margin is not competitive to Ellis Blue, because Ellis Blue is the best margin provider, Fires is not that good in margin. They give only 4x for equities and all those things. Basically, you need more money to invest on Fires. But as I'm trading only with 2x and Fires are giving more than that, I'm happy with Fires because their services are far better than Ellis Blue, especially in terms of the features and customer care service. The Fires, if you log in, guys, they have already subscribed to TradeView chart. So basically, all trades you are monitoring directly through the TradeView chart, which is free of charge. You are getting free of charge if you are a Fire member. That's one reason I like Fires. And Ellis Blue, as I said, margin is the more attractive one, but in past I have some issues with the customer care service, so it was very hard to reach the customer care service, whereas Fires are always very responsive and supportive. That's why if you ask me Fire or Ellis Blue, guys, I always recommend go for Fires. Yes, someone may argue like if I'm using 8 times, your profit is also getting multiplied by 8 times. I totally agree with you guys, and I would like to remind everyone, if your profit is getting multiplied by 8 times, always remember your loss is also getting multiplied by 8 times. So that's why don't go for leverage, because leverage is basically the trap where every trader is getting into trap and they are just getting washed out from the trade within couple of days. Okay, so invest smartly and trade responsibly, guys. So for this example, I'm putting 2, so that's my 4,000, and next column is about the number of symbols planned to trade today. It's basically number of company shares you want to trade. If you are a traditional trader who is trading with say going to a broker's website or using the app and going to buy and clicking and inputting limits, stop loss and all those things, guys, go for 3 or 4 shares or maximum 5 shares, because for you to track 4 or 5 shares is easier than tracking 10 or 20 shares. Okay, but if you are using algo trading, guys, everything is done by computers. There you can easily go for 10 or 20 because you are not really doing anything. It's all done by computers. Your homework, you have to do it one day before, and you have to put the alerts accordingly, which I will be making a separate video with that. Okay, for this example, suppose if you have decided, okay, today I will invest only on 4 symbols, you put 4 and you can put type your feed over here. It's just like a scratch pad. If suppose say HDFC, I can write, it's a free text, guys. It's open, you can type anything, doesn't matter. For example, I put say 10 shares I selected here. So JSW, when I put, the market price was 162, Vedanta was 80, Cipla this, that. Okay, so HCL 515, so 10 shares I put over here. And remember, guys, this Vedanta is not under 8x. Since I'm doing only 2x, for me it doesn't matter whether 8x or something. But if you want to trade all with 8x, you recheck that all your 10 shares falls under 8x. Otherwise, your calculation is going to go wrong. Okay. So this Vedanta I put like this. Then target and stop loss you have to feed manually. And guys, always look for a trade which has a potential momentum of 2% up or down, and your stop loss remains within 1%. And also the volume is more important, because I always prefer a stock with a volume more than 1 million, because if you have a better volume, If any order is placed in the market, your order get executed within fraction of second. Otherwise, your order is placed but there is no one to buy or sell, and your trade is never going to get executed, or it will be executed in a later stage. So we don't want that delay, guys. Algo trading, everything has to be in a fraction of seconds. So please go for higher volume of more than 1 million, so you are not into that trap. And target and stop loss, I always explained. Do some homework, guys, and person to person it will vary how you are selecting the stocks and all. If you want, you write in the comment box. I can make my way of selecting the stocks, how I am selecting these things. Anyway, it depends person to person. Suppose you put a target and stop loss here, you get a risk reward ratio here. Guys, always aim for 1:1 minimum and maximum 1:3. Don't go for more than 1:3, because if your target is too high, maybe the price will go up. It will come close to your target, but maybe it will not trigger your target and it will bounce back and hit your stop loss. That's why your risk reward ratio has to be very reasonably good. So I always look for a trade which is between 1:1 and 1:2. 1:2 is my ideal figures, because even if suppose today if I am trading for 10, and if my strategy worked today only 50-50, as my 5 stocks is hit by stop 5 of profitable trade, since my risk reward is 1:2, I still will be in a profitable side, guys. That is the advantage of keeping 1:5, 1:2, where your strategy has to work just 45-50%, guys. Still you are not in a loss. Okay. And the next thing is, suppose if you are trading only 4, the main part is this, it will give the tradable quantity. That's the main purpose of this sheet, because you should know how much quantity to buy so that your maximum loss is not exceeded. Okay, so this program will tell you this one. So since you are trading only 4, JSW you can buy 308, Vedanta 625, Cipla is 81, and RBL is 409. Suppose if I am trading on 10 stocks, it will give you JSW is 123, whereas previously it was more because you are trading only on 4. Now it's 10, so everything is divided equally divided, so you get the tradable quantity of each stocks. Okay, and the last one, if you see on the right bottom corner, guys, you can see your stop loss. Your actual maximum loss as per stop loss is 1841, which is 0.92 per your total margin. Guys, you will see that here you are seeing 4000 and here 1841. The difference is 4000 is the maximum loss you set for the day, and this is the actual loss based on a stop loss. Okay, the difference is your stop loss is lesser. It is not even reaching 4000. If all 10 shares he got hit with stop loss, with this stop loss, it's not even reaching 4000, it's reaching only 1841. And yes, if you ask me, suppose JSW your stop loss is only 1.6 and still you are not touching 4000, why can't you go for more quantities to trade? Yes, that's a good question, guys, but you always have a cap of 2 lakhs. So what basically does is 2 lakh is equally divided into 10 shares. So JSW is getting only 20,000 rupees to trade. So 20,000 rupees divided by 162 is allowing you to buy only 123 shares, whereas your stop loss is less. You can buy more, but you really don't have the capital to buy that much. So you are limited to 123 quantities. So since it is only 123 with this stop loss, it's accounting to only 1841. I hope it's clear, guys. It's very simple, nothing big, but yet it's a very powerful, and we feel every trader should have this. That's why our team has decided to give this program for free. And please find the link down, and the download link is mentioned in the description box, guys. Please find over there. And these Alice Blue and Fires I already explained, guys. If you are new to Alice Blue and Fires, or if you like to try out this, they are the best service providers, guys. You should at least try it. Okay, and one more reason why I'm using Alice Blue and Fires are since I'm doing algo trading, I utilize the API key service, and Alice Blue and Fires are giving this API service for free, whereas Zerodha and all, they are charging. Zerodha, for my understanding, I think for dated today, they are charging about 2000 rupees or something for API key. So when Alice Blue and Fires, which are very well known in the market and giving a good service with a cheap brokerage, very competitive in the market, and if these people are giving it for free, so why should we go for a paid service, guys? That's why Alice Blue and Fires I always recommend. And if you ask me which one, Fires or Alice, I always recommend, guys, go for Fires. And you can use the link over here, just click over it, will take you the account opening page, and your account will be activated within 24 hours. It's absolutely paperless, guys. You just need to submit some documents, and rest everything will be taken care by the team of Eligible and Fires. Okay guys, so and about the next level bot, guys, I'm not explaining here because this is not a sub broker. It's not a broker, basically. It's a third party platform which we are using to integrate our algo trading platform to our TradeView indicator. And this algo trader, we are still testing our tool. We have created a very accurate tool. It's almost on the final stage of testing. So if the result is good, guys, we will be making an announcement for its launch. Probably in a couple of days, 1 or 2 days, we'll launch the tool. And how much is the winning ratio and all, guys, I'm not going to tell you anything, but I can say that it's very good, very accurate. But the percentage, you check yourself, because the tools we are planning to give it for free. So you check on your chart, you check on your stocks, how it's performing. We'll give absolutely free as a trial. If you're happy, you can purchase it so that you can use it for a longer time. And our promise is that it's going to be the best and cheapest tool available in the market, guys. So anyway, once I launch, I will make a video about it, guys. So please try. Whether you have nothing to lose, it's absolutely for free. So I believe I request all viewers to at least try our indicators, which will be launched in the next couple of days. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and once again, if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. See you soon with a new videos, guys, and I wish good luck to all traders. We together will make all trades as a profitable trade, guys. We are here to help you, and we can help you only if you participate in our videos and if you use our tools. Say for this example, this risk management, please use it. Please limit your loss and be bold to take the loss so that you are ready for tomorrow's, and these small losses you can easily recover it at later stage, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you soon, guys.